Alright guys, so yesterday you seen Duarte's Fiesta ST. I installed a BOV on it. Right now with my Focus ST, I'm gonna fix the oil leak that I have with the oil cooler that I have on it. And I'm gonna basically relocate it to the front where it should have been. And I got thread sealer. It takes about 4 hours to seal properly and 72 hours for it to be, I think, like completely done. But yeah, so I'm gonna start doing that and relocate. So I just jacked my car up. You can obviously see right there that drop of oil. That's coming from my oil cooler right there. But we're not gonna focus on it. It's honestly annoying. There it is. So I'm gonna take this whole shit off right here and then mount it up there in the front properly. So yep, it's not gonna be fun, but I'm gonna get it done. So I'm just letting the oil drain right now before I start messing with all this, because then oil's gonna get all over here. So yep, just waiting for that. So it's gonna get relocated there, and I fucking scraped the shit out of my pinky doing that. Alright. So now I'm gonna take the oil filter off. Oh fuck. That's not good. Alright, now I'm gonna cut these zip ties off. There's one there, and then we had one right here, just holding it up, as you guys seen in the install video. There. Take all this off. Let all that shit drain. Fucking oil got everywhere, but I have plastic down, so now I'm gonna take this off and then take all of these off right here. So right now, just draining the oil cooler, taking off all the lines. There is oil everywhere. Anyways, so yeah, this was the reason why I had that little oil leak, because this one's sealed properly, no oil leaks out of there. So I got thread sealer, and I'm gonna put it on there, twist it in there, and then get all new lines and relocate them to there. So got all the oil drained, got the thread sealant on. Now I'm gonna get this mounted and then get all the hoses on. Well, I got it all done. As you can see there, fed it up through there. Now put the new oil in and we're gonna be good. So I got everything done. Oil cooler is now in the front. Didn't want to record myself just cleaning up all the oil mess and all that shit, but it looks like it's working because the temps are down. But I gotta really test it. I also gotta like let all the oil cycle and everything like that. So, but yeah, an oil cooler is definitely worth it if you're going hybrid turbo, because hybrid turbos overheat your motor if you're beating on it too hard, and they'll lift your cylinder head. And that's just one way to help cool the inside of your motor. So cooler oil will help it cool all of the internals inside as well. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys liked the BOV install for the Fiesta ST that I did yesterday.